Day say kids.
Make simple sentences using the given words. This video is about how to make simple sentences using the given words. Run. Cats always run after mice. Love. My dog loves to drink milk. Thin. My sister looks thin in a swimsuit. Store. There is a rat in the storeroom. Chase. The little dog was chasing a cat. Notebook. I have 10 notebooks. Sad. Tom was sad because he lost his bag. Number. 5 is my lucky number. Fish. I want to keep a fish as a pet. Hop. The frog hops in the rain. Jump. I will jump over this stone. Stop. The train will stop now. Soft. The tail of a rabbit is very soft. Very. Elephant has a very big ears. Door. Please open the door. Window. There is no window in my room. Table. I was walking around the table. Around. The kids were playing around the park. Ask. Ask him to sit down on the chair. Fell. Jerry fell down from the stairs. Fridge. The ice cream is in the fridge. Basket. The maid kept the fruits in the basket. Hang. The picture was hanging on the wall. Out. I went out to play in the evening. Get. Get me a cup of coffee. Cool. We plan to go a picnic on a cool summer evening. Speed. They were traveling at a high speed. Man. I saw a man with big black eyes. House. My friends came to my house. Tree. The coconut tree was 15 feet high. Mountain. I can see mountains from my house. Sky. The sky is blue in color. Sea. We cannot drink the sea water. Please. Please take your book from the chair. Bottle. Give this bottle to your brother. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.